Yeah, Nazy. Uh.
Hey lovely people, welcome back to our channel. Service People Friday Reacts back again with another reaction. और ये वाला interesting होने वाला है people because Nazy dropped a diss to Tala Anjum, right? So we had reacted on Kon Tala and looks like he has dropped a song, so we were getting some requests to react on it, so why not? Nazy the Ba, man, we know his caliber, right? So he is a great celebrated artist in India, so fingers crossed, let's see what this is all about, right, Dimple?
Yeah.
And it says Napak. Napak is basically evil, right? जो सही नहीं है, whatever you call, right? तो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, सीधा reaction पे चलते हैं and watch till the end because we will give our opinion at the end. तो आखिर तक बने रहिए. With that, let's get into the reaction. Woo. Nazy the Ba,
Yeah.
come on.
Nazy.
Nice sample.
बादशाह गली का मेरा क्राफ्ट ये कविता यंग नेजी बाप तेरा पास में नीचे
Young Nazy बाप.
के मारूंगा बेटा रन तू मैं तक नरम पाव का ही का और रैप तेरा फीका करूं हरकतें अभी सर फटे जब तू पहुंचा अभी वो हम कर चुके
Okay.
जोनी लिया तू बोल अभी रैप कर रख के कॉमेडी गर्म हुआ माहौल अभी लाया था मैं दौड़ तभी तू चोर कभी कंप्लीट नहीं कर सकता तू मेरे को छोड़ अभी मेरी बहुत थी ज्वाला मैं तू मोमबत्ती जरा शांत पति तो कंपनी मेरी एमपीडी क्यों खाओपीडी तू विदाउट टिकट मैं टीटी मैं हर कुछ सेलिब्रिटी तेरी आवाज पतली दे डीटी जलील तू देखे कम्युनिटी बातें तेरी सब बैकी बैकी पब्लिक अपनी सब रेडी रहती तू गाली दे रहा तेरी हेरिडिटी खो दिया खुद की क्रेडिबिलिटी इट्स बम्बई सिटी हथेली में कसम से पटेल हूँ बचपन से टूटे सपने चंद से रैप निकले मन से शौहरत मिले फन से मेहनत और लगन से
Okay, nice.
से सफाई और शर्म से क्यों तू ऐसा सोचा कि मुझे पता था कि तू कौन था क्या था पता होता मुझे और मैं नहीं बताता वो अलग बात है बेटा अगर लोग पहचानते मैं तुझे नहीं जानता
Okay, मैं तुझे नहीं जानता.
तू मुझे नहीं जानता तकब्बुर क्या करता जीवन से निकला था अब तो तेरे लग गए कोक स्टूडियो किया ट्रॉफी दो कोई इसको चार नहीं सिखाएगा तेरी एक की औकात नहीं डाउनर से डस्ट और गुमान में वो बात नहीं लो फाइट तू मैलो है मैं गैंगस्टर रैप का हेलो है कोई स्वैग नहीं हिप हॉप नहीं तू लवर बॉय पुट भाई लोग है
Okay.
सोचा जाने दो
Lover boy.
नहीं करता मेरा रिप्लाई इतना बचकाना है तू एरिया में कोई भी नहीं जानता तेरे को इंडियंस की लटक मत बचकाने
Oh God.
तुम्हें उड़ जाएगा वजन में कम बारीक लुके वजनी बहुत माहिर तुझसे रूरल देश के जाहिर बच्चे सीमा पार कर गायब कच्चे नायाब तुझसे शायर भुगते नर्म मिजाज के कमजोर कुत्ते छपरी छील के तेरे तोड़ दू घुटने अकड़े खुद पे तेरे मुंह पे थूक पे इसमें को करे तो मैं जबान काट के फेंक देता काम पूरी करे मेरा काम पूरा कोई भी नहीं बचे मैं चेक तोड़ के सर फोड़ता बाम्बू से लड़े मैं आम डरा दिन गिन ले तेरे अभी शायद तेरा बहुत छोटा हॉट रहता बॉडी पूछ ले नाम मेरा साफ हूँ मैं दिल से बेटा नेक्स्ट टाइम से फॉल्ट देना ढूंढ के मारूंगा पहले ही बॉन्ड रहना
Okay. Finish?
Abrupt ending, people.
Yeah.
पर बात करते हैं. I think we'll talk about some of the good things or some of the not that great things. Watch till the end. People, that was Napak. Nazy the Ba came back with a lot of promise, right? Or the effort was there, but we will talk about it. Dimple, what did you think?
The background song was really nice. The music was great, man. I loved that beat. Somewhere, I felt, that's my opinion again, the audio was quite little lesser than what we were hearing, that music, right? So it was getting like muffled. Was not able to quite grab what exactly the words were, like a few here and there. Otherwise, it was like good. Right? This culture, we will get to see this, and it's interesting, right, to listen to as well. I feel that there might be a little bit of beef between two of them. Maybe it could have been a long time back. So let's see if Tala Anjum is going to get back to Nazy again, right? So overall, it is going on, and it's going on good. People just loved it. What else to say? Yeah.
Hey, people, I think a few things, right? So one, Dimple talked about the mix and mastering. वो audio और music was not going that well. और वो जब वो कम्युनिटी वो वाला राइम स्कीम और वर्ड प्ले हुआ, आई थिंक इतना समझ में नहीं आया. I think the effort is there from Nazy, but is it really good to maybe get one song from Talanju? Maybe not right now. पर बहुत ज़्यादा effort was there, right? He's basically saying that क्या बोल रहा था कि वो जो तू अभी अचीव कर रहा है वो मैंने कब का कर चुका है, and we know Nazy like in the past was like he was celebrated, right? The street Mumbai hip hop scene was started by Nazy in some way or some form, right? Divine talks about it, Emily talks about it, old Nazy वाला thing. और वही रिबटल दिया है और उसने बोला कि ओल्ड यंग नेजी डजंट मैटर, तेरे लिए मैं ही काफ़ी हूँ काइंड ऑफ थिंग. और ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड दैट तलांजुम को कि तू रैपर नहीं है, राइट? तू लवर बॉय काइंड ऑफ सॉन्ग्स डालता है. अगेन डिबेटेबल, बट yeah, he has a lot of good vibey songs as well, and he also talked about Guman. So you know Guman, we have reacted on that. So he said that it's like not hip hop kind of thing. But I think it's again to Tala to react on this or not, but I don't know, right? Because there was a lot of effort, but I would say that thoda और maybe delivering the final package थोड़ा और मीट होता तो और अच्छा होता. But again, artist is an artist, right? Be it from anywhere, so they put in their heart and soul to deliver a song. So as a listener, kudos, right? So they are putting their effort, and as an audience, I think it's not about spreading head, कौन better है, कौन नहीं है.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Just enjoying the vibe and hope everybody learns, right? So everybody gets better in their craft, in their art, and that's what we both think. But Abhi, I think if I have to say that this was good, but was it to the class of Kontala? Maybe not. But can Nazy come back? Possibilities there. It is what it is. We both are expecting something to come from Talanjum and maybe.
But I feel that it's not going to come here now. It looks like very equal, right? Kind of thing. Got sorted out. Kind of thing, right? It came from the both, right? Talanjum, and also there's a reply from Nazy. And yeah, I think that's it.
So yeah, people, if you're new to the channel, do like, do share, subscribe. Comment down below what you think about this beef, and most importantly, the thumbnail had a gangster feel to it. I could see, right? It was a knuckle, right? Knuckle, right? Which is used to hit people. You know what I mean, right? So you could put that hand and then you could beat people. So I think that's one of the vibe from the song, saying that okay, I'm ready for war, right? So that's what I feel, that gangster vibe from Nazy. So that is something that I like about the thumbnail. So it's open, right? So it could go anywhere. We love everything that has happened till now. No hate, no love to anybody. Yeah, peace out, right? With that, stay safe, take care, and bye bye from both of us.
देना ढूंढ के मारूंगा, पहले बॉन्ड रहना.